Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this super cute look here. We're basically going to be starting off by hydrating our lips. I had a brain fart right there. We're going to hydrate our lips and we're going to prime our face with this e.l.f. Putty Primer. And bear with me, you guys. I got Ava in the back while I'm trying to do this voiceover. So I'm going to kind of zoom past the brows, the concealing, the foundation, only because the main focus of this video today is going to be that Take Me to Brazil palette. So I'm using this Essence Camouflage Concealer. This is the first time I'm using a lot of these products in this video. I had an Ulta haul from when I went to like Houston. I shopped in the Galleria, which got deleted, the actual haul, but not the vlog. So I'm just zooming past this part like I said. It's not bad. It's super matte. I actually like it better for the under eyes. I'm taking my Morphe, what do you call this? Brow gel, just to set my brows and clean up my brows. I'm taking this foundation I got from Ulta, and it's the Almay foundation in the color Caramel. And this is the first time I'm trying it. Like I said, it was okay. It was okay. And my lighting is a little funky right now because the sun was doing its own thing. So yeah, so I'm just blending that out. And taking that same concealer, I'm just gonna go and highlight my under eyes. And just blending it out with the Beauty Blender. I love watching blending sped up. I don't know. It's just like, I don't know. So right now I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty's face powder in the color Caramel Cutie. First time using this as well, just to set that liquid foundation. I always set my liquid foundations just to mattify it and to help it last longer. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me blushes. And I'm just adding some color back into my face. Now I'm taking my Morphe bronzer and I'm taking the contour side, and just contouring my face, bronzing my face up, cheeks, forehead, just to add that color back into your face. And then I'm also going to use what's left on the brush to contour my nose. So here we go, Take Me to Brazil palette. This is the Rio edition. I got this in Urban Outfitters for only $4. If you guys get it from BH Cosmetics website, it's gonna be around $20 to $22. You can probably catch it when it's on sale, but anyways, I have no idea what look I'm going for, but I'm just priming my lids with this Morphe, hi baby, with the Morphe Fluidity concealer. And I'm going to take this brush from Morphe, blending brush, and just dip into that aquamarine color. And these colors are so easy to blend out. Super easy to blend out. I highly recommend these for like beginner beauty babes or whatever. Anybody who's just learning how to do their eyeshadow, I highly recommend this palette. Now I'm going to switch brushes. I'm taking a different blending brush and I'm going into a deeper blue, AV. I'm going into a deeper blue and I'm just going to build up the colors. Just give it a little, make it a little bit more deep. AV, you messing it up. Okay. Look, do your makeup. Here, do your makeup. And then you guys are going to see me dig into a deeper blue to deepen it up along the outer V. You making this hard for mommy? I should do a series on what it's like to film and do all this with kids. Now the eyeshadow has a lot of fallout, so if you don't like fallout, you're not gonna like this palette. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do my cut crease. Like I said, I'm working on that. I keep telling you guys, I am a beginner in the eyeshadow department. I always just use orange shade on my lids or just blend out one color on my lids, but I'm trying to expand. So this is my Pinky Rose glitter palette. It was $30. I'm taking this aquamarine glitter here, super pigmented. I love this palette. And I'm using my finger because the application is best with your finger. Ava, really? And I'm going to take this aquamarine shade that we first started off with, and I'm putting that into my inner corner. These NYX liquid eyeliners are so bomb. It's so easy for you to do your cat eye. I highly recommend it. They have all different types of colors, and they're only $7. So I'm just taking my time. The brush gives you such a precise application. It is absolutely crazy. If you're going to get any liquid eyeliner, I recommend you get this one. Ava! Come on, girl. So that's what it looks like. It's super pretty. I highly recommend you guys to get some falsies. If you guys are going to do this look, it's just going to make it stand out a lot more. I'm taking this indigo shade in the BH Cosmetics palette here, and I'm just putting that on my waterline or my bottom lash line. And now I'm going to be applying my Damn Girl mascara, which is not all that, to be honest. Now Ava's doing my makeup, y'all. I'm so sorry for this voiceover, but yeah, so I'm just packing that on. Like I said, falsies are the best way to go. It'll bring this look together. And I know it looks a little bit sloppy. I was hesitant on if I wanted to post this or not, but hey, I mean, I'm learning with you guys. So I'm taking my LA Girl lip liner, and this is just a really pretty nude shade. And the gloss that I'm going to put on top is my Fenty Gloss Bomb, which it was not all that. I mean, I have cheaper lip glosses than this, and they look a little bit better than this. So I know I have like a outline in my lip, and it looks like I tried to overdraw my lip. But girl, that's from when I wiped off that lip gloss to go ahead and apply what I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.